Hello everyone, I have got a very special package here for my business. This is an A4, I believe. Yes, I'm just trying to remember. It is an A4 paper guillotine and I am so excited for it. I've been waiting for a couple of days now, I think it's been almost a week, but it's finally here and I thought let me unbox it with you guys. Oh yes, oh yep. Hang on, let's just do a little snip. Oh, paper cutter. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is much bigger than the one that I currently use. And I'm so excited. Especially for the guides here and this little bar thing. It's going to help me with my notepads, I hope, in theory. I hope it will, just to help me line it up, get it straight for when it comes to gluing the pages. So yay, got my paper cutter.